Hi, my name is Clovis Scotti. I'm the Push Snowboarding developer. I developed the application that runs on the N8 phone. Push Snowboarding is a project that aims at making the invisible on snowboarding visible. The Push Snowboarding app on the phone, you can use it in three different ways. First one is shows you a screen that helps you connecting to all the sensors, which could be the sensor on your boot, the sensor on the board, the sensor on your arm, and so it tells you which sensors are connected. Then there's another screen where you can stop and start a run. So basically when you're at the top of the mountain, you press start and you go downhill, and then when you get to the bottom, you press stop. And then on the third screen, you can see other reports from your runs. On these graphs, you can see speed, you can see your rush, your heart rate, as graphs through the run, and your jumps as a series of bars that tells you how high you jumped. Well, we had a lot of fun showing the pros how to use the app. They use it, and the first thing they do when they got to the bottom is just go there and watch like speed and, for example, the jumps, because that's pretty much what it's, everybody wants to know if they jumped further or not from the previous run, or if they went faster or not. So that's definitely one of the use cases, and it's really fun. Even between ourselves, like developers and the Push team, we between ourselves do it, say like, oh, I was faster than you, and that's just fun. The Push Snowboarding app is pretty unique in the sense that it connects to many different Bluetooth devices. Push Snowboarding app works like recording what you're doing, and it shows graphs in this kind of scientific but fun way. So I would say, it definitely has something coming from the sports tracking apps, but it's totally another level. Well, my highlight while working on the Push Snowboarding project probably was when we were on the US Open slopes, and we had to test one day before everything, because we had a new kit. We had some different things we needed to test them before using the pros. So we tested them on ourselves, and you had to jump because you needed to know if it would work or not. So testing it on ourselves was definitely one of the most rewarding things I did. One part of fun that we had is that we had many of the pros, the really big #1 pros, trying the app, and it was great to see how they wanted to see the graphs, they wanted to see the results. Also, the Push Snowboarding app is completely open source, so all the source for the app is open, it's on the internet, it's available on the website. Most people ask when the app will be available, but that's one thing that we don't know right now. We definitely want to make it available, but we are doing research, and every week or two we have something new on it. One of the cool things about the Push Snowboarding app and technology that we're using is that it will be useful to anyone in another sport in a way that you can measure, again, how fast the guy is going. And if, in most extreme sports, there are jumps, there are huge jumps. And most of the times that's something that people want to know about. Because the technology of measuring how high you jump, how fast you're going, how scared you are, how fast your heart's beating, is spread to all sports. My favorite M-series device is definitely the A900, because I think for every developer that's the dream mobile device, because it's not just a cell phone, it's much more. It's a computer, it's all open, and it's just a toy to play with. It's heaven.